Here's one SEO change that increased my traffic 10x. Now I have this written right here, okay? So I'm just going to tell you what is that one SEO change which took my blogs, which are not even ranking, getting even impressions, to skyrocketing the SEO traffic. What is that? So I have this blog, okay? I have written on the blog a very long time ago, and I noticed in my Google search console that I'm getting, not only clicks, that I'm not even getting the impressions. Now I looked up some Reddit sources, and this is the best possible thing which I came across. And one user, he wrote in the Reddit that here's the thing. The first thing you need to do is clone the not ranking page. What do you mean by not ranking page? The one which you're not getting impressions. Now, if you're getting impressions, okay, so let me show you. If you're getting impressions and not getting clicks, that means it is the problem of the meta titles and because you're getting impressions, like your blogs are shown to people but they're not clicking. The titles are not clickable enough, which is why you need to take not the blogs which are not getting even impressions and shift to a new page and new URL, okay? And then you have to spend some time adding and removing words just to make the blog article which was in the past to be updated, okay? Like URL, you need to update URL, page title, meta description, open paragraphs, and conclusion, okay? The minor changes, and like it shouldn't be 100% copy of the previous page. And then the next thing what you want to do is 301 direct the old page URL to the new page URL. Now you can easily do that. How are we gonna do that is there's a plugin called the Redirect WordPress plugin from the WP engine or something like some people did it, so you can redirect. Or you can also go to the hosting platform, the domain where you purchased, you can directly do it from there. And 301 redirect, tell Google a page has been moved permanently, and it transferred to all the links, external links and internal links to the page which you have did it. That's it. This one SEO change. Now you might think updating old blog article doesn't do much of a difference. Guys, you don't know how powerful the updating the article is. Now I don't mean that you need to change some content in the same blog post and the time and publish date you need to change that. No, that is not an update. That is not an update. Let's say I make a video and I change the title, like after 1 year later I change the title of the same video and same description. Would you watch it once again just because I have changed the title and description? No, right? So you need to move it to the new URL and tell it to Google that, hey, I've been recently added a new blog topic which I posted previous 1 year ago or 3 months ago, or whatever the blog article which is not ranking. And trust me, you're gonna see you're gonna notice some difference. At least you're gonna see you're getting an impressions. By the way, I want to introduce you AI SEO writer called Arvo AI. Now if you go to the case studies, you can go to the case studies right here under the resources, just to show you how people are profiting by using this tool. Now you can see one blog, it went from 0 to 1600 per month traffic with AI blog post. Now when it comes to all these testimonials, right, they are not even getting into the WordPress or whatever the CMS system they are using and monitoring the blogs. They are simply automating and running campaigns. They're not even going to the WordPress. They're not even going to the hosting platform just to look at or edit the blog. They are doing it from Arvo AI itself. Let me show you how they are doing it. If I go to the dashboard, right? If I go to the dashboard, by the way, this Arvo AI, they has own SEO editor. Now if I go here SEO editor, 1 second, let me go into the articles which are previously generated. Of course, And if I go to the one of the article, now you can see this is the article which is a brand new and produced very well written SEO optimized content right here. You can see FAQs and H1, H2 and internally auto linking, right? Now there is a feature called AI assistant tool. Now you can chat with this and maybe add more FAQs or info. It's gonna do the job for you. You don't have to do any single thing right here. It's all AI assisted and everything is automated. Again, I want to show you a cool, interesting feature. Let's say you are not interested in this paragraph. Now you can simply highlight this and go here, click on rewrite and make shorter and see what happens in a second, guys. So it just came up with a shorter title and I can accept it or reject it. Now I'm just going to accept it and you can see it has been made changes to the blog article, right? And then you have blog automation. Of course, most people who use our AI SEO writer, they're automating it by running a campaigns. You simply input a word and start the campaign. By the way, I'll leave the link to this tool in a description. You can check that out. And if you're interested, I made a 1-hour tutorial on how to write SEO optimized blog articles, and I hope you will like it. And it's a very well knowledge video tutorial and you can watch it right here by clicking right here.